what is the best PisoNet table design? So guys, in this video, we'll be going through sa mga iba't ibang klaseng design ng PisoNet table kasi I've been compiling mga PisoNet table design all over the Philippines. So, from Manila to Visayas to Mindanao, makita mo talaga ang design skills ng mga kababayan natin. So guys, without further ado, let's start the video. And by the way, also, I would give mga experiences ko, ang mga magandang design sa PisoNet shop. So, this is the first one. Now, this is a very simple design, guys. Straightforward. If you notice, dalawa ang coin slot niya. The other one is for 1 peso and the other one is 5 peso or depende. Kasi kung hindi ka, meron kang option ka to, if you want the universal coin slot, I always suggest get the universal coin slot para hindi kayo mahirapan. So you have this design, straightforward talaga, table siya, and then ang monitor nandyan lang, and then ang CPU nasa taas. So this is a good design, similar sa akin kasi ang importante, if meron problema, if one of the parts, whether the monitor, keyboard, or monitor and the CPU, kung meron problema, you could always replace it. So, in this design, nasa taas ang CPU. Kung may problema, pwede mo na palitan. And then, ng monitor, kung masira, pwede mo rin palitan. Pero ang downside dito na design is that ang mga customers, especially mga bata, they will touch the monitor. Yun ang kasi yung fingerprint nila madumihan ng screen. Ang limitations in design, ang screen size na monitor mo, I think limited to 17 to 20 inches, pero going beyond above that, hindi na. So, depende. I think this is 17 inches. So, mga around 24 to 27 inches na monitor, hindi kaya. Okay, next. Okay, so this one, parang desk paaralan. So, okay to, very modular. You can put the CPU and the monitor and then keyboard. Ang makita ko lang dito ang limitation is ang space ng keyboard and mouse sa area na to, dito, kung makita nyo sa mouse ko. Pero ang CPU, I think sa baba or sa taas, depende. And then, ang timer, medyo delikado lang kasi you have to find a place na kung saan mo lagay ang timer. So, you have to screw it in place. Lagay mo dito ang timer. Kasi you can actually buy a PisoNet timer box na talaga. So, I think from a score from 1 out of 10, mga 2 lang to . Okay, this design. So, nakita ko to, I think si Payo Ngayong, there's this YouTuber ng specialty talaga is gumawa ng box sa PisoNet. So, nakita ko design, I think maganda to, if you wanna package it, pero makita ko talaga is ang flaws immediately. Makita ko is that the monitor is in place, naka-fix siya. So, kung may problema, you cannot easily replace the monitor. Ang makita ko nandito is that ang advantage niya is ang CPU. Ang CPU nasa loob. So, there are cases ng CPU na you cannot install na malaki na graphics card. So, nakita ko to sa how they make this kind of PisoNet box. So, they would tanggalin nilang motherboard, CPU, and then RAM, and then lagay nila sa loob, and then mount nila, screw nila motherboard sa kahoy, and then also the power supply. And then, ang advantage dito is that you can, makasalpak ka any size ng graphics card. So, that's the advantage. Pero ang downside lang, kailangan pa ng mesa at silya. Mesa lang. So, para ma-height level lang. Pero, yun lang ang disadvantage. Ang monitor, mahirap palitan kasi kung masira. Pero anyway, malinis naman ang setup, yeah. Good design. Pero hindi ako fan sa, I think, silica to. Parang ganitong, ang cover. I seen a lot ng mga PisoNet tables na ganitong design. So, same rin, dalawang slot, 1 peso or 5 peso. And, one thing I like about this is that ang screen niya, meron siyang glass panel. So, kasi na-observe ko, mga kabataan, when they play PisoNet, they like to touch the screen. Oh, ganyan na, andyan ang kalaban. Oh, yan. So, it's either it will damage the monitor or madumihan. So, I think this is a good design ng, I'm not sure kung nasaan ang CPU. Pwede sa baba, pwede sa likod ng monitor, or pwede man sa taas. Pero, overall, it's a good design. So, siguro, ma-comment ko lang is the legroom. Ng some players like malaki ang legroom para comfortable. Kasi kung comfortable ang customer mo, nang for sure, he will spend a lot of money kasi comfortable siya. Ayaw yun na umalis. Okay, next naman, ito. Meron pang motor. So, disregard lang yan, ang plate number. So, anyway, maganda ito ng design. I think I can see na universal ang timer nila. And, secure naman ang box nila. Also, nang worth noting pala, dapat secure ang ano nyo. Meron padlock, ang coin, kung saan na lumalaglag ang coins nyo or saan so far okay naman to, malaking legroom, nasa taas ang CPU, and then malaki ang I think limited rin sa 17 inches or 17 or 20. Ang wiring naman, makita ko medyo messing wiring niya. So, by the way, if you're planning to put up a PisoNet business, I recommend ang wiring nyo nasa taas tanan. Kasi, if nasa baba, meron chance na customers na kasi palagi sila gumagalaw ng paa nila, so baka matanggal ang plug. Space savers Formica, hindi pala silica, Formica. So I'm not a big fan of Formica. So mga ganitong design ng, let's say, VESA wall mounted front door opening, can mount all PC component, easy to transfer. So ang downside lang nito is that ang monitor, at you have to have a table. Okay, this one naman, a table so for sure sa taas dyan ang monitor, malaki. I think it can fit mga 20 to 24 inches. CPU na sa baba, coin slot. So far okay naman. Ma-comment ko na siguro ang legroom, pero okay ang design to. Medyo lang sa kahoy ng magastos, pero okay ang design niya. Ito naman, same rin kanina, kaso this one is 17 inches to na square monitor. I don't know, hindi na to patok sa mga kabataan kasi marami nagko-comment na luma na to daw ang design. So yeah, same rin. This one, I think mga 19 to 21 inches na monitor ng okay to. Ang problem ko lang dito, ang coin slot niya nasa baba. So magbayad sila, bababa pa ng So na-notice kong mas sa mga different design ng mas na kung eye level lang or makita nila ang coin slot na maghuhulog sila ng piso or 5 kapiso. So parang okay naman to, ang downside lang tong legroom and then ang location ng coin slot niya. Okay, next naman, ito this is a very unique one ng ang PisoNet timer. So this is good design pero hindi universal ang coin slot, pero okay lang kasi eye level. So ang customers mo mag-uupo sila and then maghuhulog lang sila. So, mahirap pong sa babae kasi you have to look down. So, dapat ang focus ng customers nasa screen lang. So, and also makita nila ang timer nila. So, in this table, in this setup, na maganda kasi, I'm not sure kung nasaan ang cabling, pero maganda kasi ang linis. CPU, merong chance na masipa ng papadyakan ng customers ang CPU mo kasi nasa baba. Pero okay naman ang space ng keyboard and mouse parang malaki naman. So maka-move ang kamay nila, hindi makasagabal. And then minsan na-notice ko ang mga keyboard ng customers parang nagsaslant kasi they have to adjust their hand. Yan. So na-notice ko yun palagi when they play Crossfire. Ganyan talaga. Pero this is a good design. Ang cable lang, hindi ako sure sa baba. Okay, next. This is good. Itong design, this is one of the first design I bought. So, yeah, this is the first time I makita. Usually, dalawa eh. Dalawa lang per table. Pero this table, 3 ka-computer module. Yeah, so, I like the design kasi eye level ang timer. And then, the CPU nasa taas. So, when ang CPU nasa taas kag accessible, for example, meron problem ang computer, you can just remove the plug sa likod and then lagay niyo sa storage or for repair, and then you can have a backup computer lagay diyan and then plug it in. So, okay na. And then also, it's also worth noting na ang cabling nila, importante ito, ang cable management nila, nasa taas lahat. For sure, madudumihan to kasi ang paa ng mga customers, they will rest their feet sa sa wall. So medyo as time goes on, madudumihan yan. So you better prepare a plastic or rubber wallpaper dyan para hindi mabilis madumihan. So far okay naman. Ang makita ko ng leg room. Okay to, kaso ang problema, ang leg room and then ang location ng coin slot. So this is the downside ng design na to. For sure, nasa loob ang CPU. I don't know kung meron case, nandyan ang case ng CPU or bare bones na talaga, motherboard, nakascrew sa loob ng table mismo and then power supply, hard drive or everything or naka-diskless, depende. Pero yeah, I don't know sa to, pero I think makagive lang ako mga 5 out of 10 na score. Pero it's worth to to note, ang wiring nila nasa taas, so that's okay yan. Kasi importante, makita ko dito ang LAN cable nila sa taas and then ang network switch, this is the network switch, and then the other computers yan sa taas. Buti hindi nila nilagay sa sahig. So it is important to have your cables tidy and organized talaga kasi for troubleshooting and kung may mga problema and future upgrades, kung may plan kayo mag-diskless. Yan, so this is one of the first designs I bought ng eye level, ang timer makita, universal. So you can, and then you can customize the CPU. You can put a CPU sa taas, any CPU you like. And then sa screen, ang limitation ng design nito is ang screen niya. Ang size ng screen. So limited lang sa 17 to 20 inches. Pero you cannot put mga 24 to 27 inch na na screen. So yan ang downside lang design to. Pero anyway, okay to for for starters. So far okay naman. Usually ang nakita ko rin ang keyboard, parang okay ang wait. Konti lang. Yun ang problem ko sa ganitong design is ang space ng keyboard and mouse kasi minsan gumagalaw ang kamay nila, so konti lang space. So I observed na tinataas na nilang sensitivity. Yan, so this is what I'm maganda tong maganda notice ang wiring niya. So nasa taas lahat. Yan, so wow, maganda to for sure there's a higher chance na architect or interior designer ang may-ari. I don't know. Pero yan, meron pa sang circuit breaker, maganda yan. So maganda pa rin if you also add a contador or electric meter. So yan, nakita nyo ang wiring nasa taas, and then nandyan ang ang router and the network switch. And then makita nyo good spacing ng legs. Pero for sure, I don't know. Okay naman, okay, that's good kasi eye level ang timer. So makita nyo, timer, hindi na mahirapan ang customer maglagay ng coins, and then same rin, pero okay ang mounting ng monitor, parang okay naman. So this is a good design talaga. So 12 out of 10. And then electric fan, for sure dapat may electric fan kasi wag lang kayo mag-aircon guys kasi grabe talagang mahal ng kuryente. So electric fan okay na. So far okay talaga, like ng design na to. Yan, different angle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan, so makita nyo good spacings ng keyboard and mouse, naka-earphones. So itong problem ko sa sa headphones kasi magtapos ang players, usually iba mabaho yan. So I have to spray alcohol. Walang hook. So walang hook na malagay. So they just put it there or minsan nasa sahig na kasi tinatapon lang ginaganyan lang pagkatapos nila. So they don't care. Ang ginagawa ko ay bumili ako ng adhesive hook lagay ko sa gilid and then I would just hang it there. So parang lang para neat and tidy. Yan, so okay talaga. Yan, different angle. Yeah, so maintenance wise medyo mahirap to, pero I think kung naka-diskless to, mas okay talaga. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo na video to in choosing a PisoNet design. Pero for sure, you have to canvas muna ang pricing ng per table. So, and then ang universal timer, and then ang PC. Kasi minsan, you can just buy individual table lang. So, magbili kang table. Magbili kang table, it's either it's universal or non-universal. I highly suggest mag-universal kayo para hindi kayo mahirapan mag ng pera, ng coins. So, and also for those who are asking what is the best specs for I always say na Athlon 200GE or Athlon 3000G. And then kung meron ko yung surplus ng mga Intel, okay din yan. So what else? So yeah, ng PisoNet table, if you're just starting, for example, may mga extra computer sa bahay nyo, yan din ang nagawa ko before. So I have extra computers here lying around the house. Ang ginawa ko, bumili ako ng table, ang inassemble ng table, and then bumili ako ng box with PisoNet timer box na universal. So I bought it for 2,500. So yun, dyan ako nag-start ng business, and then hindi pa to diskless, so naka hard drive talaga. Pero so far okay naman. So if you have maraming computer and meron kayong tables, you can just buy the PisoNet timer box. Pero yan, so if you're planning to start, so start lang muna mga 4 units, 4 computers, I mean. So that's it guys, I hope may na-learn kayo. If you have questions, feel free to message me sa Facebook page ko or sa comment section. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace!